Hi guys, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and today we are going to make the altered diary cover. And to design it I used my finnabair mold and lot of embellishments to cover it beautifully. And so let's get started. Firstly, I applied the black gesso all over the cover of my diary, and then I'm going to use the stencil and texture paste. Randomly, I'm going to apply the texture paste. I'm not thinking where to apply or where not to apply, just randomly doing it. It's going to create the great effect, I guess, and plus it's a diary, so I'm using this kind of stencil which is like scripted. So, just like that, voila, it's ready. I'm going to cover a little bit the upper part and a little bit a lower part of this diary. And if you notice, I didn't apply in the middle because we are going to paste a lot of embellishments in the middle. Plus our focal point is the face, so I don't want to ruin it like that. So yes, but if you want to apply, you can apply in the middle as well, but it's just my viewpoint that I didn't apply. Rest is your wish. And after that I'm going to cover it again with the black gesso. So all things are covered and I'm going to paste these pieces over here. I already covered them with the black gesso and now I'm going to paste them. So it will take a little bit time. I'm pasting it with the heavy gel medium. Now finally I'm going to paste this face over it, and the rest of the things I'm going to paste it here and there around it so it can give a little bit that look. So everything I'm pasting with heavy gel medium only. So first color I'm using here, it's a metallic and it's a blue color, as you can see, and it's going to give like a lovely effect. And it's like magic, when you apply the metallic colors over the black and over the texture even, which we created firstly with the help of our stencil, that going to enhance with these metallic colors and very much like you can see it, it's enhancing, right? So we are going to create this here and there, and then we are going to use our chocolate brown color. It's impasto, it's not a metallic, and over that I'm going to put some more metallic colors, and I'm using my sponge to do that. You can use anything you want, you can use your finger, you can use the brushes, anything you like, but I felt like it's going to look great with the sponge, so I just used it. I'm just dabbing the color with the help of sponge. I'm not doing anything more like that, but it's looking lovely, and I feel good while creating it. It's like kind of different kind of project for me, but I hope you are also enjoying it. So this color is amber red by finnabair, and I'm using it over it, and I'm just dabbing it with my brush. And you can use your makeup brush as well if you don't have this kind of brush. It's really cheap brush, I got it. And now just with fingers I'm applying it. I'm using everything whatever I like. You can see my fingers. Well, this diary is really special to me, gifted by my friend during my college days. So with that said, it's already done, guys. Just going to apply a little bit on the edges of my diary, and that's all. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Please do like and subscribe my channel and watch all new videos. Thanks.